So today I am going to show you how to do a quick accessibility check in Microsoft 365's document. So here I have a practice document that I want to check accessibility for. So I'm going to click on the Review tab, and then I'm going to click on Check Accessibility. Now I have a tab that opens on the right here that says Accessibility, and it highlights some of my errors. So for example, I see that this picture here that I click on is missing alt text. So I can click on the picture, format picture, and add a short description. So I'm going to put balancing innovation and sustainability. And that's good for now. Perfect. Then I have back and I go to my accessibility check. Then I have one error. It says check reading order for the table, so I can assess the reading order. Now, if I recheck my document here, you can see that I no longer get an error for the alt text, and I still need to adjust the reading order. One thing that you will notice is that the accessibility checker is not perfect. So if we scroll down here to the bottom, my last question, it's in cursive font, the contrast is low, and the text is very small. So will this accessibility check fix all your document and make it perfectly accessible to everyone? No. But will it get you started in making more accessible documents for your students? Yes. So have a wonderful day. I hope you have good luck doing the accessibility checks with these tools. And if you have more questions about accessibility, please visit our accessible guidelines on the Digital Competency in Action website. Bye.